I will show you how to make this viral caption shine effect in Premiere Pro. So first, add some text with your desired color. Now head to Effects and then search Brightness. And apply the brightness and contrast effect to your text layer. Now in the toolbar, long press on the object mask and then select the pen mask tool. Now go to a preview screen and then create this rectangle mask on the text. Now inside Effects Controls, drag the pen mask to the brightness and contrast effect. And you can now increase the brightness and the mask feather to create this shine effect on the text. You can also adjust the expansion value to adjust the size of the mask. If you want, you can copy and then paste the mask to duplicate it. And then you can move it to a different position on the text. Now to add glow to the text, hold Alt or Option on Mac and then drag the layer up one track to duplicate it. Now go to Effects and then search Gaussian Blur and then apply the effect to the bottom text layer. And you can now adjust the blur amount to your liking to adjust the glow. And you can of course also change the color of the text to whatever you want. Just remember that you need to change the color on both text layers. And you have now created this viral text effect. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.